My name is Simo Hautala. I'm the director of the museum, and I have now a great pleasure to say you a couple of words about this wonderful place. This museum has been established in 1961, so we will celebrate our 60th anniversary next coming summer 2021. Very building where we are at the moment has been built in 1987. This is our main exhibition hall where we have tanks and other equipment from the wartime, and now our intention is to refurbish this and even renovate partly this hall in order to have a better outcome for the exhibition. The renovation work will start in a couple of weeks, and we hope that this hall will be open for public latest next coming summer when we are celebrating our 60th anniversary, as I said before. We will have new pictures here. The main equipment will stay here since, as you know, most of them are from the wartime. Our most valuable thing, Renault model 1917, will stay where it is at the moment. But we will rotate some newer tanks to other halls and bring some elder tanks from there to right context, so to say. So we really hope that next coming summer we will have a new wonderful exhibition open for public and ready to explore as you will.